Let's turn these toilet paper rolls into a gift. I was scrolling on Pinterest the other day when I came across the cutest craft. It's a wreath with a bunch of pom-poms on it, and it was just so cute that I decided that I needed to try my hand. For this craft, you're going to need a wire hanger, some paper towel or toilet paper rolls, pom-poms, these ones are 1 inch thick, a hot glue gun, some scissors of course, and some paper napkins. This is what your craft table should look like before we get started. First order of business is we're going to take this hanger and we're going to shape it into what looks like a heart. When turning your wire hanger into a heart shape, it does not need to be perfect. We're going to be putting other materials over the wire so you won't be able to see any of the small curves or lines. We're getting somewhere. What do we think? I think that's pretty good. It doesn't have to be a perfect heart because we are actually going to place these guys right over the wire so you won't even be able to see it. Now we're going to untwist the top. Ta-da! Hopefully this is enough. Once the hanger is open, we're going to slip the paper holders over the top. These are going to provide the foundation for the pom-poms. It's okay if it doesn't align perfectly because we're going to end up using some paper later to fill in any gaps. I remember being in kindergarten, first, second grade, and having the most fun making little Valentines for my class, and this feels very reminiscent of that. We're getting close. Twist these back together. There we go. And now we just need to fill in the gaps using our napkins. And now we want to put the paper holders into the correct shape of the heart. This will definitely make fastening the paper much easier. Now, allegedly, when I was pretty little, we did a Valentine's Day swap at my preschool. And I was a very picky eater at the time, so I took it upon myself to visit each and every one of my friends' Valentine's Day boxes and trade the items without their permission with items from their box with the worst items from my own box. Now we're gonna use these to patch the holes on our little wreath. Gotta bring out the big guns for this one. Can y'all believe that this is a hot glue gun? Crazy. And now that our structure is perfect, we can add our pom-poms. They're perfect. I've gone ahead and linked the perfect pom-poms for this craft on my LTK. We've got our pom-poms, we've got our structure, so now we can get to gluing. Now you could totally do the smaller pom-poms that you see, but this craft would take a lot longer to assemble. Plus, I think the giant ones are just extra cute. The progress is adorable. I found that the best method is to just put a nice layer of hot glue in a certain area all at one time, and then you can pick up the pom-poms and it goes so much faster. I'm trying not to have similar colors touching to the best of my ability. Just because I have 4 different colors here, it makes it much more aesthetic when they don't touch. We're coming together nicely. All right, and now we have our last little part. Now we just need to patch some holes. Do you think that I should wrap the hook? I think so. Tie a knot. And we're done. Now you can either give it as a Valentine's Day gift to a neighbor, teacher, loved one, friend, or you can hang it up yourself. I think it's so cute and it was actually so easy to make. So if you guys make one yourselves, feel free to post it and tag me. If you enjoyed this craft today, I hope you'll stick around, leave a little comment, subscribe, and I'm just so excited and glad that you guys stuck around.